Oh, that's so hot. It's my sister's house. Let's see if it makes it or not.
Dramatic moments captured by a Louisiana man. Flames engulfing a home, him fearing for his life as unprecedented wildfires ravage the state.
Don't look like the truck's gonna make it.
That voice is William McCarthy's, and that home was his sister's.
I'm just glad that they made it out alive.
Lindsay Bustamante wasn't home at the time, but she saw her brother's videos. And in a phone call told us her entire family is still trying to process what happened.
My daughter, Emery, she was crying the whole time, and she just kept saying over and over, like, we're not going to have a house. If you and your family make it out, that's all that matters, and your homes can be replaced, and everything else can be replaced.
But they also know they're lucky. Others did not survive the inferno. Louisiana state fire officials say at least 2 people have died so far. More than 1,200 first responders are working to contain the fires, but they have their work cut out for them. Right now, there are close to 100 active fires in Louisiana, and the state's dry summer and extreme heat are giving those flames even more fuel.
It's been the summer from hell, if you want to get right down to it. We're breaking records all across the state. It's going to go down in history as one of the worst summers ever for this region.
Louisiana has seen more than 500 wildfires in August alone, and state officials expect more in the weeks to come. Over 500,000 acres of land have been scorched. The Tiger Island fire is blamed for half of that, and tonight, only 50% of it is contained.
Secure your chains on vehicles so that you're not dragging those down the street and creating sparks.
Louisiana's governor pleading with the public to respect the statewide burn ban, telling them lives are at stake.
Ellison Barber joins us now live tonight. Ellison, with the holiday weekend coming up, are officials asking people to celebrate differently because of these fires?
Yeah, you know, Tom, interestingly, they are. At a press conference today, you had the governor and other fire officials saying, hey, we know the Labor Day holiday is coming up. We know typically you would be outside barbecuing, but please, this year, do not do that. They say do not do anything outside with any sort of open flame. That means no citronella candles for mosquitoes. Don't open up the grill. They're encouraging people to just go to local restaurants to cook inside, get food to go, because they say any little spark can cause this situation to get much, much worse, because right now there is a drought. Everything is just so dry. And in a lot of these areas, Tom, there are many trees that are left down from previous hurricanes. And all of that is adding to this crisis. Tom?
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.